on the plane. Right here, you can see. Oh, this lighting is amazing. Okay, we're gonna wait. Can you open this? We have to wait.
Flight attendants and your position, please. Thank you.
And we can do it on yours.
We have to wait first a few minutes until we can go on the plane. It will fly. It will be smooth or roof. The other plane is already going the other way. It's already flying.
Penumpang yang terhormat, sesuai dengan peraturan keselamatan penerbangan sipil, kami mohon perhatian Anda saat awak kabin kami memperagakan cara menggunakan alat-alat keselamatan dalam pesawat. Dear passengers, according to the Civil Aviation and Safety Regulation, we must demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on board our aircraft. Please pay attention to our flight attendants.
My phone.
Sabuk pengaman Anda dipasang seperti ini dan dikencangkan seperti ini. Untuk mengeratkan, tarik talinya. Melepaskannya, angkat tumpukan besi. Your seat belt is fastened like this and tighten like this. To tighten, pull the strap. To unfasten the seat belt, lift the buckle. Apabila tekanan di kabin berkurang secara tiba-tiba, masker oksigen akan keluar dari panel di atas Anda sehingga terjangkau. Tarik masker ke arah Anda, pasang menutupi mulut dan hidung. Kaitkan karetnya di kepala, dan bernapaslah seperti biasa. Penumpang yang membawa anak harus memakai masker oksigen terlebih dahulu, baru menolong anaknya. In case of loss of pressurization, oxygen mask will drop automatically from the panel above you. Pull the mask toward you and place it over the nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. The oxygen bag may not fully inflate. That is normal. If you are traveling with children, put your oxygen mask first, then help the children. Pesawat Boeing 737-800 New Generation dilengkapi dengan 8 pintu dan jendela darurat. 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian depan, 4 jendela darurat di kabin bagian
We're going
tengah,
up.
2 pintu
I have to
darurat di kabin
listen
bagian
to the
belakang.
instructions.
Boeing 737-800 New Generation is equipped with 8 emergency exits. 2 doors in front cabin, 4 windows in middle cabin, 2 doors in aft cabin. Dalam keadaan darurat, lampu petunjuk jalan keluar akan menyala untuk menunjukkan jalan keluar terdekat. The emergency exit lights will illuminate during emergency situation and will guide you towards the exit nearest to you. Baju pelampung Anda terdapat di bawah kursi dan hanya dipakai pada saat keadaan darurat di air. Your life jacket is available under your seat, and it is to be used for emergency water landing only. Cara menggunakannya: kalungkan baju pelampung melalui kepala, kancingkan, dan eratkan melingkari pinggang Anda. Place the life jacket over your head, and secure the strap firmly around your waist. Baju pelampung dikembangkan sesaat sebelum Anda keluar melalui pintu darurat. Bagi penumpang yang keluar melalui jendela darurat dekat sayap, pelampung agar dikembangkan setelah Anda berada di atas sayap. Untuk mengembangkan baju pelampung, tarik sekerasnya ujung merah. Jika baju pelampung tidak dapat mengembang dengan sempurna, tiup pipa karet. Lampu akan menyala jika baterai terendam air. The life jacket should only be inflated at the emergency exit doors. For those passengers evacuating through the emergency windows, life jacket is to be inflated once you are over the wing. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. Should the life jacket fail to inflate, blow into the red tubes. The light will turn on if the battery in water. Kartu petunjuk informasi keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membacanya dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kabin. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. The safety information card of this aircraft is available in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If there's anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for your kind attention, and we wish you a very pleasant flight.
Okay, it's gonna fly, so I have to see you later. Bye.